Hello everyone, this is Anand Krishnan here. We are heading to the home of the one and only Wing Commander Unni Pillai, the Chief Test Pilot, Rotary Wing of HAL. It's going to be a very interesting story. So we are inside the Bristol quarters of HAL where a lot of senior officers stay. And heading towards Unni Pillai's home.
Hi.
Hey, hi. Here we are following the great man to his workshop where he does a lot of other activities apart from flying.
Where I do my woodwork. Okay, I got a whole collection of these power tools that makes it. Otherwise, woodwork is hard labor. This is a beautiful place where you de-stress. In the sense that you are absolutely focused on a certain activity which you are doing, and then it sort of calms you down.
Amazing. So, how long how you have been doing all these activities?
This I have been doing for last maybe 30 years plus.
30
Okay.
years.
But I have procured these tools, in the maybe last 10, 12 years. I like to make my own things.
Okay.
For example, something useful, for the house. A certain thing needs to be done. I make it myself rather than
Just going and buying.
going and buying something.
Like anything, let's say any furniture. That's what basically.
I made some furniture,
Okay.
but it will be an offbeat furniture. Like my wife keeps complaining. There is
Offbeat
no
furniture.
Yeah.
Like this offbeat story, what we're doing.
Yes.
Yes.
Something
So
like
remember
that.
to all of you that this is a very different story. Something which I have reported on him for the last close to 22 years, but I never knew this side. So we are going to see Wing Commander Unni Pillai making some stuff, and we'll also show you some videos which he has done earlier. So it's going to be a very interesting evening.
So I thought I'll just make you a nameplate.
Okay, name
Okay,
plate,
a rough
Okay, rough one.
with AK written there. Okay, we'll start.
With AK written on.
We managed to get a rough. Now we'll obviously paint it, okay, and we will resin it, and it should come out as a decent piece. This is a rough.
Rough cut.
Okay.
All of you watching, a very special nameplate, right? You said it's a stress buster.
Yes.
So I want to ask you, what do pilots do for stress busting? I know you guys do yoga.
Yeah.
I know you are a good swimmer, all that. But is this very stressful job, helicopter pilot? Is it, is it?
Flight testing is stressful because
stressful.
it is demanding. You have to be very careful as to when you are flying, because you are flying a test sortie. Never is the aircraft either fully certified or declared fit. Because in that interim period between the production or the initial design to certification, we are flying it. After we certify it is the time when a pilot with a normal, qualifications takes it. In this interim period, a whole lot of things can go wrong. So you have to be very careful when you are flying. So it is always, I try to keep it out. Normally when I'm flying, I'm
Okay.
focused. So again, but there are so many things which come up.
So now?
Now let me show you my garden, which is my other hobby. This is I got a lot of orchids.
Okay.
And they flower beautifully.
Okay.
So what happens sometimes is, they after they flower, they get they they're sort of tired and you know they tend to catch disease. So I bring them here. They sort of rest, recover in this place where I put necessary fertilizers and things like that.
So this is basically your orchid recovery center.
Exactly,
Very
exactly.
interesting. So much of care being given to. And then
So
what
this-
happens after they recover?
They start blooming again, maybe after cover 3-4 months. Then I move them to the front where the flowers can be seen easily. I got a whole lot of bonsais. Okay, and especially I love making chota bonsais out of say bougainvillea. Like this one, it's got some 3-4 different colors, you know.
So you talked about stress factor. So is there any brief you give to the young pilots who come? They would have obviously they would have served in the Indian Air Force or wherever, and then they would have retired and they join as test pilots in HAL. So you have been a veteran. You have been you have been there for close to how many years now in.
In HAL, I've been flying for HAL since '96 actually. When I was part of that time, I was part of the Air Force, but I was flying here.
Okay. Total put together.
It is 20, 25 odd years.
Air Force and
Air Force and HAL,
yeah, both put together.
35.
35 years
Uh-huh.
of chopper flying.
Yes.
Is that people who have flown more than that?
See, I'm lucky because I have flown without a break. See, somebody who remains in the Air Force, he flies till about maybe 35 years. Then he takes on staff appointment for 2 years, he's missing somewhere, or does a course which is not a flying course. All the courses I've done are also flying courses. So, never have I not flown for more than 1 month.
Okay.
So, it is a continuous flying. So, I have a hell of a lot, nearly close to 8,000 hours of flying I have. And that is, so much of test flying means I must have been busy. Test flying is not something where you gather hours, like taking off or landing after 3 hours. It is a half an hour, maybe 30, 45 minutes sortie. So, that way, it is not difficult. It's not easy to collect so many hours unless you are really at it.
So, so what is that you tell the young
Joining.
Yeah, just joining and
See,
HAL
the-
kind of.
The environment, see what happens normally is Air Force is an operational environment. HAL is a production environment. It's a different ball game. Things happen faster in the Air Force because operational needs are there.
You have
Okay.
always on the toes.
Whereas in HAL, it's a system which is prevailing. There is a process to everything. So that acclimatization takes a little time. So now that is what initially I keep telling them, sit, observe. Don't jump into something. "Nahi, we can do it this way. But there's a system to it. People have been doing this for ages. So that is one thing. Then again, I encourage my people to do yoga. Not many do. Okay, the youngsters especially, they are more into running marathons and exercise. But do that also. But do yoga also.
Brilliant.
Yoga is an amazing set of exercises. It's a mind, body, soul kind of rejuvenation, which we call it. So I advise everybody to try yoga. And see, there normally earlier I used to meditate under that tree in the morning. When I get up now, I do some yoga, then I sit and meditate for about half an hour. But then a lot of ants were coming up, so I shifted to this place. So I sit here and
I've seen you now close to 22 years. Ever since
Correct.
You came to Bangalore, right?
yes,
Yeah.
long.
Yeah. So I never seen you tense. Though I also seen you at times when there were a lot of issues. In the sense it's all part and parcel of the production thing. Even during those times, you were as cool as a cucumber. There's all these. So how do you do that, man? Even I would want to get some tips on those things. How do you keep this?
Actually, the best way to practice, it's come out of practice in the sense that you start with meditation.
Actually, meditation is the big.
It is amazing. The very fact that, okay, it's a slow process. You don't learn it overnight. You practice meditation. It takes a lot of practice. But if you start, you will keep getting a calm phase when you're meditating. That calmness will extend to your other parts of your time when you are there.
Okay.
And then at a greater level, you will be absolutely calm in every situation.
Okay.
That is something which we should try and do, because it improves your quality of life. Doing all these things mean nothing if it does not improve the quality of your life.
Okay.
You understand? There's no point doing yoga or meditation if you cannot live a better life. So that is
Quality of life.
quality of your life will be enhanced.
So, what do you want to tell all the youngsters who are watching this program? Because primarily they are my target group. These interviews are not for defense experts.
Correct.
These are not for those defense analysts. These are for the youngsters who would want to listen to the heroes of India's aeronautics. So there's a new shift I'm focusing now in all the tarmac talking programs. Just not to those people who want to join armed forces, but there are other wings, isn't it? Like anything, whatever they wanted to chase. Because flying, test flying, what you guys do, requires lots of tons and tons of dedication. You have to be careful, alert, so many factors given. So what do you want to tell them?
See, firstly, you need to find a work-life balance, which is very, very important. And if you do, like for example, there are much to learn from our ancestors, ancients. Okay, don't mock it. There is much to learn from it. Okay, I have learned, and I have started learning all these things in the later part of my life, maybe post 35, post 40, and I'm amazed at the amount of knowledge, information. Like I used to never do yoga. Same if you look at other cultures like Japanese, the samurai, okay, they also do meditation, but every work which they did was to their perfection. They were beautiful. See, that's the way. If that quality, if you people can imbibe, nothing will stop our country from, skyrocketing upwards. And that is some message which I would love to give them.
The other thing what I want to ask you is, how big is the the test pilot community of Rotary Wing in HAL now? Is it closer to 20 or?
Yes, it is nearly 20 plus.
Oh, 20 plus. Okay.
Yes. And it will even increase further because now we are having a new thing at Tumkur. The Tumkur plant will come up. Production will start there. Production will start here. We have IMRH coming in. And ALH, LUH, LCH, all these productions will continue for a long time.
So you need more pilots.
You will always need more and more.
So Tumkur is going to be LUH, right?
LUH and whatever else comes. But it is going to be a big factory. And now when 10 years from now, there will be a sizable number of people there also. See, it was my dream to make India self-reliant as far as helicopters go.
Okay.
Nobody realizes it. If you do not make or design your own helicopters, you end up buying thousands. See, helicopters are needed in thousands. In the Air Force also today, if you see, the number of helicopters and fighters are more or less similar. Okay. Now, Army has as many, the Navy has, the Coast Guard has. The number of helicopters, if you buy from outside, you are bleeding the country. So today, if you are self-reliant on this particular machine, you will save lakhs and lakhs of crores, in foreign exchange. And you'll always feel proud. Okay, this is our.
Test flying, gardening, carpentry,
Yes.
swimming,
Yes.
yoga. What else?
Actually, I believe in picking up a new skill, as frequently as possible.
So is it necessary for all of us human beings?
It is necessary because your mind gets activated again when you start learning a new skill. It can be anything. It can be a game. Okay. For example, now I started off on learning golf, which is a new skill.
The youngsters who are watching this,
Yes.
there's so much of distraction these days.
Yes.
What are the tips you can give them to stay focused? Because ultimately, there's no point in reading success stories, listening to them, unless you also will follow it all the time, isn't it?
Yes. Unfortunately, the young generation is more into social media and things like that. Use that, of course, to stay in touch. But at the same time, don't be on it all your waking hours. You need to step out, you need to learn a new skill. If you're not interested in studying, no, learn some skill. There are so many things to do, which sort of, activates your mind, which makes your, again, quality of life will improve. See, everything, we all live our life in pain, joy kind of thing. So that has to enhance, that has to improve.
In fact, that is one of the goals I have set for myself in this year, 2021. Coming out of this pandemic period, it was bad for everyone that, I don't want to just, have this great feeling of lakhs of people following you on social media. I realized it, it's very significant. It's important that you also go you also got to tell them, these youngsters, you also got to inspire them by saying that, look, it's, I think people are just crazy all over the social media, but eventually will that drive them to their goals?
That is a big question, because if you keep, you will, whatever you practice, you will be good at it. If you practice being on the social media, you will be damn good at being on the social media. That's it. I don't think any other benefit comes out of it. My advice is balance. Balance your life. Don't just, squander it on a screen only 24 hours.
Aero India, this time, what is that the helicopter menu we cannot see from?
See, one India Pavilion is there, and the center, the theme of India Pavilion is helicopters. And I'm so happy that, the nation has sort of recognized all the work done on the helicopters and given us that, you know, appreciation of being the centerpiece. And now I only hope that the nation, the government puts its weight behind us so that we start exporting to other countries, which was missing earlier. The support was not there. And really, as a government company, we couldn't afford to push so hard as to exporting to other nations. And helicopter is something which everybody needs. And there's a tremendous potential for giving it, starting from our neighbors around and expanding outwards. I think we are at the cusp of a major growth in the
Brilliant, yes.
this thing.
And you're part of the ALH, and it's those who followed the program. It's very evident that those all of those people who attacked, the that time it was difficult for them to even believe, or maybe lack of, I would say, understanding, or
Yeah,
you said from the government side. We're not trying to compare any governments, but the fact is things have changed because we have
Exactly.
products to show,
correct.
maybe, and then there is better confidence, isn't it, among users?
Yeah, and it is not that it has come without any hard work. We have slogged, and we have continuously strived to improve our product. So the ALH which we gave out in 20 years back is nothing like what is coming out today. It is miles and miles of differences. We have continuously improved. We have taken inputs from our users, see what are the requirements. I wish I could show you maybe later on in the show sometime the new maritime,
The Coast Guard.
the Coast Guard,
Brilliant.
Navy Coast Guard
I saw
aircraft.
the photograph of it. It's
See how they came up and said, "Ki, look, we need these things to be integrated on the machine." We took it on, integrated those things, we have test flown them in all possible conditions, and now they're ready for delivery, which they will start already in the process of delivery zone.
okay, brilliant. So, from the chopper side at Aero India, so we will have the LCH, we have the LUH, the LH variants,
Correct.
and
These are
IMRH is still.
IMRH is still undergoing this. The the basic design is more or less ready. Only thing is, once we get up, because the sum of money involved is very large. We're talking about 7,500 crores of rupees. So HAL is unable to foot the entire thing of its own. So we are looking for some kind of assistance encouragement from other quarters to start doing the prototype activity.
When you say other quarters, is it the government or the private?
The government primarily, or the government may come up with some kind of solution to the
So
funding.
when you say to the government solution, there is one question people keep asking all the time. In fact, last Aero India, we did a story on LCH saying that the series production, notwithstanding the order, HAL has gone further ahead. So what's happening on those 15 numbers?
The series production, we have already started manufacturing. Even before the contract is signed, first 3 are already ready. The contract is not yet signed yet. Okay. But the first one is already, it will be there in the air show. We'll show you the first one. So we are anticipating, and ahead of time we will be able to make.
Yeah, the first one, which recently had its, there was a press release on that, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes. Which is
Interesting. So how old is he, Tobacco?
he's 6 years old now,
Okay.
and a nice handsome bugger with a lot of.
Yeah.
And actually, he loves to stand, straight with the wind ruffling his, that.
So when I was feeding Tobacco, something came into my mind. According to sources, you were thrown out of the kitchen many times by your family members because you're a horrible cook.
Not only,
You can't cook for nuts. That's what it is.
not only horrible, I'm a messy cooker. That is the reason for the public uproar, because I used to mess up the kitchen. I was, like I told you, keep learning new skills. So I decided to learn how to make bread.
Bread? How to make bread?
Yes.
In the sense, the garam karke wohi.
No. Proper bread, dough, then
Oh, acha,
yeast,
okay.
and
Okay.
so I spent a lot of money, bought some superior yeast, fermented the dough, and went through the process. When I put it in the oven, finally it came out. It was one brick.
So are we going to? This is the program is called An Evening with Unni Pillai, and are we going to do anything? Are you going to show any of your skills?
Don't worry. Just few things which maybe we can try is making an omelette or a cup of tea.
I am not keeping on that well. Okay, maybe. Okay, let's do an omelette. Even I am good at omelette. We can
Okay,
do
good.
We can do a joint venture.
Yeah, so I can blame it on you if it flops.
Yeah. Okay, so over to the kitchen. Let's go. Tobacco, come.
Yeah.
Let's go to the kitchen, right? Land of the cockpit.
Yes.
So the car.
Let's take up the thing. Yeah. You do the startup. Fine cutter.
Unforgettable kind of thing during. You have been to many trials, isn't it? So
Correct.
ऐसा कुछ है क्या? Something which.
There are so many things,
So-
especially in cold weather,
Okay.
when you are at those extreme altitudes.
Yeah.
You have to really,
Yeah.
it is quite demanding. The altitude and the cold.
Yeah.
That's why my heart goes out to all those people at the border.
Especially the Jawans, you know.
Yeah, it is
It's-
extremely tough.
It's-
I used to find it, the biting cold and this altitude saps your energy. And plus, if you're not equipped properly, it can be really nasty. There are people, maybe they're not wearing the right shoes. You practically have to, be carried.
Yeah.
So that is the kind of, so you,
This is better to do this because otherwise, cross section. Otherwise, no, I'm not an expert to take it fully.
okay. Heavenly.
Amazing. Stunning. The way we write, no? Stunning. Unbelievable. Huh? Wow. History being made. Priya ma'am, No wonder you chased him out of the kitchen, you know. We had one amazing experience. He didn't even, that was, we actually probably will cut it out. He didn't even know where the pepper was. He went and took a, seriously, he came and gave something. I said, it's not pepper, come on.
That's so surprising. You should
But
ask him.
once he tried to make eggs for us, and then he saw dal there,
Yeah.
and he said, "All cooks experiment." So he takes the dal and he puts it in the egg, and then he mixes dal and eggs, and then he feeds it to us like we're supposed to eat it, and then he's mad that we didn't eat it. Such good cooking you don't appreciate.
So, Priya ma'am, amazing painting. This side, very, very impressed with the kind of work. So, you trained painter, born painter, or was there in some
I think I inherited from my uncle, from my genes, but yes, I love painting.
Adya, so finished your advertising graduation and now job and
I mostly did events and advertising and graphic design and advertising, and I did a lot of freelance. And in those times, I did take on copywriting, not particularly journalism.
okay. And Advait, right?
Yes.
So Advait, so 12th standard, last 1 year online classes. And so what is that? You're also going to chase your father's flight path? He's a helicopter pilot, or you have some other plans?
When I was young, I wanted to be a pilot like him. Like I just love flying. It's a lot of fun. Very, very freeing, I'd say.
Like or don't like about your dad?
Don't get them started.
One thing I dislike about him is the fact that he has
Eh?
Too many?
too many opinions, unnecessary opinions on like things that he doesn't need to have opinions on, and then he gives it to me, and then we get into an argument because we have the same ego.
All right. And
For me, he has actually helped me evolve into a wonderful human, not wonderful, better human being, I'd say. And yes, he is very opinionated.
all right, hope all right, and you again, Advait?
One thing I like about him is his work ethic and how dedicated he is to his work. That's one thing I can take away from him. And one thing I don't like about him is opinionated. That's the thing that goes around the house.
Great meeting all of you, and I have got something very special for you. This is a Tejas mask.
Okay,
Okay,
thanks.
this is a Tejas mask, and again from pilot. And this is something maybe it'll inspire the kids. And this is a thing which we keep giving. This is a small tabletop. It has got a Dr. Kalam's quote.
Oh,
Very inspiring. Yeah, all that. Yeah.
He's been doing, they all have been doing a wonderful job on, in producing some class videos, content for the tarmac. Generally on whatever as a country we are doing new. Okay, that is what primarily they are focusing on, and that is nice because that is something which whatever work you are doing normally is never comes out in the public. So through this windows, public gets to see what work is being done.
Yeah.
So that is nice.
All right. So thank you. All the best for your thing, and thank you. And
Thank you
for your
for
time. Thanks. And as always,
Thanks a lot.
Champ, the true champ. A really big fan of Wing Commander Uni Pillai. That was an evening with Wing Commander Uni Pillai. I hope all of you enjoyed this very, very, very different kind of a program, specifically tailor-made for all the young fellows watching Tarmac Talking today. As always, please do remember to send your feedback. Please do remember to subscribe to this channel. And please do remember to tell others in case if you find the content interesting. We'll get you more from Vinko Pillai and his exciting team during Aero India. Some surprises to all the people who follow our work. Until we come with yet another inspiring story, signing off, thank you, Jai Hind.